So, hi guys. So, let's take a look at our trade, today's update on the trade. So, let's say we have a profit of about 1,630 today, and basically, I am a option seller. So, I mostly depend on the theta decay and the range a market would be in. So, in yesterday's video, I had put an analysis on why I took this trade, and based on my understanding I had sold these many options. So 19,000 CE and 90,000 PE, I have sold both of them, and 19,700 and 19,700 CE and PE, I have sold both of them. And now we can analyze it. So based on our current situation of the market, we can see that we have 93% chance of winning the trade, and these are the break even. So as long as the market is at 18,975 and 19,725, so I'm just trying to put a very less risky a risk in this trade. So that's why I've taken such a long range, so that so that my emotions don't come into play when I see a huge loss suddenly. So just to stick with my loss and emotional capacity, I've taken such a wide range so that I can minimize my risk and my emotions. And as well, let's take a look at our option chain, and let's see what we can see. We can see that at 9,000, at 19,000, you can see that at 19,000 we have a huge put writing and a very small amount of call writing. And then we have a lot of put writing over 19,000. We have a lot at 19,100. Also we have it. Then we have almost, oh yeah, 19,300 also. We have a good put writing, and from 19,400 we can see a good call writings, and 19,500 also a good call writing still. So our analysis still that. So that's why I've taken this range. And that's also, if you can see, yeah, basically, yeah, as long as you can see here, this is at 19,000. I'll be at the highest profit of 2,500. After it goes below, it will be my profit will be reducing, and my chance of winning the trade will also be reducing. So as long as in this huge range, so as long as the market stays in this huge range, I'll be able to make the profit. That's the coming Thursday, that is on 6th July. And also let's take a look at 19,300. We can see that we have almost, as you can see over here, one second. Okay, so at 19,300 we have a put OI of 1.31 crore, and that means it's a very strong resist support zone. And as you go up to 19,400, yeah, at 19,420, we have a strong resistance where a call over of 1.29 crores is there. And as you gradually go, and also at 19,500, we have 1.37 crore. So at 19,400 and 19,500 are huge resistance for the for the expiry day, for the coming expiry day. That's on 6th of July. And also, and strong support zone would be around 19,000. 300, it will be 19,000. Oh, just a second, where was it? Oh yeah, sorry, it was at 19,300. We have strong support zone. It put OI of 1.31 crore. And if you see a change in OI, we can see that at we have at 19,400, there's a huge increase in put. So that means even 19,400 can act as a good support zone. So the market is seeming to end above 19,400. And also we have cola. So 19,300 also, we can see there is a reduction. Just a second. There is, oh yeah, there is for in call options. So which means this bar, this line, that is 19,300 can act as a good support still. So it proves that 19 the market is going to stay above 19,300 and can mostly be in the range of 19,300 to 19,400. And I guess, yeah, one more thing. So here also we can see at here there's a huge spike, and then there is oh, yep, you can see here. Yeah, so at 19,250 around, we have reduced OI in call options. So that means the market is still in a bullish mode. And also, we can see that the PCR is 1.46, which is kind of indication that the market is bullish. So based on these understandings, we can see that we are almost nearing our expiry date. So because of these reasons, I have taken such a trade, and I guess that's it for today's video. So this is the update for today, and we'll see tomorrow at what will be the condition of the market. So based on as a conclusion, based on my understanding of the chart, is that the market can end around 19,300 to 19,400 to 450. So this is the range I can give for this coming expiry week. So based on this understanding, I have taken the trade 19,450. So market is supposed to end, and that's why I've taken the range. I've taken this range 19,000 to 700 so that I can stick with my risk and my emotions. All right, so that's it for today, and we'll catch up on the next video tomorrow.